What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ryan Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell as well so you know when I post new videos. But in today's video, you guys, I colored my hair using a temporary hair gel and I am in love. I think it looks so good. I think this is actually my best wash and go yet. So I mean, I just don't even want to ramble anymore, you guys, because I really want you guys to get into these details. I am loving how this hair came out. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this hair, then definitely keep on watching. First things first, I just want to thank Curly Girl Shop so much for sending over these products for me to use. As you guys can see, I got these products back here. So if you're unfamiliar, they are Canadian Black-owned, women-owned beauty supply store. So if you guys are looking for them, you can go to curlygirlshop.ca. I really enjoy the fact that a lot of products that I can't usually find at my local beauty supply store, they have, as well as just different things that I don't normally see at my regular beauty supply. The biggest thing that I absolutely love about this company is that they actually give back to the community. They partner with Black-owned businesses to facilitate programs for breakfast and lunch in school for children that cannot afford it. They also do workshops and programs dedicated to parents and kids to help them learn how to take care of their hair and skin. I really love that. It's just great to know that once you are buying from them, you are also putting right back into our community. So that's also an amazing thing about this company. So in today's video, I'm actually just going to be doing a wash and go. They sent me the entire line from the TGIN Miracle Repair X line, but what I'm really excited to use today is the ORS Curls Unleashed Color Blast. It's basically just a temporary hair color. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do a wash and go, as I said, and then we're gonna pop this in and see how that looks. So if you guys are ready to see how I achieved the hair in my intro, then definitely keep on watching. So this week my hair just felt very dry, so right now I'm just getting some moisture in it and I'm just wetting it till it's thoroughly saturated before I go ahead and add shampoo. So I'm adding the TGIN Miracle Repair X shampoo. This has definitely by far have to be one of my favorite shampoos, you guys. It cleanses your hair, but the black honey in it is such a humectant that it just gives me so much moisture without stripping my hair, but it leaves me feeling squeaky clean. I know that sounds like an oxymoron, but I'm telling you guys, this shampoo is bomb.com. Alright, so now that I'm done my little concert, I know I can't be the only one. I feel like wash day, you just have to play some music. That's just the way to mentally prepare and get through wash day. But next off, I'm just going to section my hair off in two because first off, this conditioner is too good to be wasting and it's definitely way too expensive to waste any coins. So I don't usually, I don't always separate my hair, but for this, I always do because your girl's not trying to waste no product, and that's on period. So I'm using the My Organics Mint and Babasu Deep Conditioner. If you guys know me, you know that this is the ish right here. So I'm just gonna add this to my hair, and I believe I left this on for about 40 minutes or so. I just added it to all of the sections of my hair, put a plastic bag on, chilled for a bit, did some errands, and came back to rinse it out. Alright, so next I'm just adding the Miracle Repair X leave-in conditioner by TGIN, and the pump was broken, so I had to force it out. But this leave-in is really, really thick, and it just moisturizes my hair so well. I really, really, really love this stuff as well. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and adding this to my large section at the back. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply the leave-in to all of the sections, and that way I'm not having to dip into leave-in, dip into gel. I don't really like how that feels, so I'm just going to put leave-in on all sections, re-wet it, and then start adding my gel section by section. So you want to make sure that you are spraying down your hair, and then I just make sure that my hair is fully detangled. I've been loving this brush. It just helps detangle my hair without snagging it, so absolutely love this brush. So I'm just using my Big Body Eco Styler. I actually haven't done a wash and go using Eco Styler in a while, and I kind of forgot how much gel I need to use, so just gonna rake that through my hair, and that's what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna spray that down a little bit more. That's better. And then I'm just gonna shingle in. I'm not shingling completely, I'm just kind of separating and then doing the bottom. But I feel like I do have a little bit too much product on my hands, and on my hair, so in the next sections I'm not gonna add as much. But the good thing about, I find, doing wash and goes with Eco Styler is that because it has a much stronger hold, my wash and goes last a little bit longer. So here I am just adding a little bit more water again because my hair did dry out, and you will get better results when your hair is wet. You can even do this in the shower. I just like to sit and chill and do it, but you can also add the gel and everything in the shower, and also just makes things easier because your hair is already soaking wet. The other thing that is important is to make sure that you are thoroughly detangling. You do not have to do this process that I'm doing here, which is sort of shingling, but I just like it for further curl definition. So this is how this section is looking. It is nice and juicy and defined. So I'm just gonna speed this up because I don't want you guys sitting here forever, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything looked once I finish all the sections. Alright, so this is giving me wet dog vibes, but we are now going to do the fun part and add the ORS Color Blast. That's what it's called, and this color is in golden bars. So as I told you guys, I've never used this product before. That's what it's looking like. It doesn't really have a strong scent or anything, so that's the consistency. So that's what the color looks like. I feel like I'm just going to go very sparingly with this just because I don't know how this is going to turn out. So I'm just gonna, ooh. Oh, it did say to wear gloves with this. Let me go ahead and get some gloves and come right back. All right, gloves are on. So I'm just taking some like so, and I'm gonna rub that in. I'm just gonna scrunch my hair. I'm kind of just wanting it to be on the ends of my hair, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just scrunching that on the ends. So as I told you guys, I think I put too much here, you guys. So I'm just adding a little bit more to some of these pieces. Oh my gosh, this is so bright. And again, I'm just gonna go back and add a little bit more. I'm hoping it turns out kind of ombre-ish, ombre-esque, but your girl doesn't know what she's doing right now. All right, I'm gonna leave it like this just because I don't want to go overboard. So I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how it dried. Alright guys, so this is how my hair is looking with everything nice and dry. Right now, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my hair is very crunchy, but I am gonna go ahead, don't you worry, I'm gonna go ahead and scrunch the crunch, and also I'm gonna show you guys how I like to stretch my wash and goes with heat. So this is how this side is looking after I stretched it. It definitely has a lot more life, and then this is the lifeless shrunken up side. I'm just going to section this off so that I have access to my roots. So I'm just gonna take one of these clips and clip that up a little bit. And you're basically just gonna go section by section. And the key is to leave your natural curl pattern at the bottom, but then to just blow dry the length of your hair. So that's what it looks like. It does look very lifeless, but once I go ahead and pick out, I actually did not pick out this side as yet, but once I pick it out and blow dry all of my sections, it will start to come together, I promise you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this side, and then you guys will see what it looks like. Alright, so this is how my hair is looking. I just have a little bit of coconut oil in my hands, and I'm just gonna use this to kind of scrunch out the crunch, which basically is just gonna give me just a little bit more body and less of that gel cast. And I'm gonna just open this up. Again, I got this from Curly Girl Shop. They sent this over to me. Just love the design on it. It's really pretty. So next I'm just gonna go ahead and pick out this hair. Alright guys, so this is the final look of my hair. I think it looks so good. It's given every single thing she was supposed to give. Like, I am in love. I think it looks so good. It's giving me vacation vibes. It's giving me glowy bronze vibes. This is really making me want to color my hair. I've been feeling kind of bored with my hair, and this just gave me the life that I needed. I can't tell you guys how excited I am. But as always, thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget, if you haven't already, to hit the red subscribe button down below, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it or if it was helpful. But for now, I'm gonna say toodles. Bye guys.